else do you do for 10 minutes a day? 10 minutes a day is such a good habit. But I have now I have a routine in the morning that takes me about 2 hours.
That's a lot of 10 minutes.
Well, they're not 10 minutes. I write and I walk and I eat and I clean myself and shower, like your normal stuff. So my morning routine has gotten like a little unwieldy. Yeah.
That's okay.
It is okay. It takes my time. It takes me a while to get going in the mornings now, because I think it's the writing and the studying my French. Yeah. So I have all these things, and they say like to create a habit, it's good to stack them. Have you ever read that about that? So they say that if you want a good habit, you should stack them. So say if you always have a habit of reading a magazine and eating your breakfast, then you'd stack that habit by right after breakfast, you do your 10 minutes a day. Or if you always walk, if you always make a cup of tea in the mornings, then you put your 10 minutes a day right after your cup of tea. So the stacking habits is supposed to be good for you. But I've got like such a big stack that I'm starting to tip over maybe.